The 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, moonroof, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.